If x is a prime number, which of the following is a null set? And the options given to us are A. X is said that x is greater than or equal to 9, which is also less than or equal to 13. B. X is said that x is greater than or equal to 4, which is also less than or equal to 18. We have C. X is said that x is greater than or equal to 19, but also less than or equal to 23. And then we have D, which is x is said that x is greater than or equal to 24, but also less than or equal to 28. So given these options, which of them do you think will give us a null set? Now, if we say null set, we are talking about a set which does not have any member. There is no member in the set. The set is empty. Okay, so the descriptions given to us in the question, which of them do you think will provide a set which will not have any number or any member? Let's solve them one after the other and see how things will be. Now, let's take the first one, A, and A is x is said that x is greater than or equal to 9, but less than or equal to 13. So let's list the members of this set. The members of this set are x is greater than or equal to 9. It means that the numbers that we are going to write can be greater than 9 or equal to 9. So it means we are going to start from where? 9. And then x is also less than or equal to 13 means that the numbers can either be less than 13 or equal to 13. So we end at where? 13. So it means that we are starting from 9 and then we will end at 13. So let's write all the members of this set. And they are 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. But go and look at the preamble. It says that if x is a prime number. So it means that we are talking about only prime numbers in that set. Okay, so let's write the prime numbers in the set that we are having. And so looking at the set here, 9 is not a prime number, 10 is not a prime number, 11 is a prime number, so we write it 11. 12 is not a prime number, but 13 is a prime number, so we write it. So these are the numbers which have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself, that is 11 and 13. That is for option A. Now let's go to the next one, the option B. Option B says that x is said that x is greater than or equal to 4. X is greater than or equal to 4, but less than or equal to 18. So let's list the members of this set. So it means numbers which are greater than or equal to 4, but less than or equal to 18. And we know the greater than or equal to means it can be bigger than it or equal to it. So we start from here, right? And then this one too, it can be less than or equal to it. So we end at here. So we start from 4, end at 18. So we write all the numbers that start from 4, and then we will be ending at where? 18. Okay, good. So this dots here means there are numbers there, right? Good. So from this list of numbers, which of them do you think are prime numbers from 4 to 18? The prime numbers from 4 to 18 are what? We have 5 here as a prime number. We have 7, 11, 13, and 17. Right? 5, 7, 11, 13, and 17. So these are the prime numbers that can be found in this given set. Now, let's move on to the next set, the option C. Okay, the option C. Let's go to that. The option C says that x is said that x is greater than or equal to 19, but less than or equal to 23. So it means that we are writing numbers starting from where? 19 to 23. So let's write them. We have 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Now, out of these, which of them are prime numbers? Let's write the prime numbers. They are what? 19. 20 is not a prime number. 21 is not. 22 is not. But 23 is a prime number. So we have 19 and 23. And those are the prime numbers in this set. Okay. Now, let's move on to the next option, which is the option D. Option D says that x is said that x is greater than or equal to 24, but less than or equal to 28. So we know this to be numbers that start from 24 and end at where? 28. So let's write those numbers. So we start from 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. And from these, we want prime numbers. That is the preamble. So let's go through and write those that are prime numbers. We have 24. 24 is not a prime number because it has more than 2 factors. 25 is not a prime number. 26 is not a prime number. 27 is not a prime number. 28 is not a prime number. So that means we don't have prime numbers in this set, okay? So we will have an empty set. You can write an empty set in this form, or you can write it like this, okay? Any of them represents empty set, right? Now, we have 4 options. The first option provided prime numbers. Have you seen them? The option B also provided prime numbers. Option C also provided prime numbers. But when we check at option D, we don't have any prime number in it. And the question says that if x is a prime number, that is the preamble, which of the sets will provide a null set? It means which of the sets will have an empty members. There wouldn't be any members in the set. So what do you think is the correct answer? The answer is what? D, because D does not have any prime numbers. If this is your first time of reaching this channel, press the subscription button, subscribe, and then press the notification bell so that you will be updated on any new videos. You can click the channel name there to go through the playlist to watch more of these tutorials on Q&A.